What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. For those of you that follow the channel, you know we just got the new Series 10 Apple Watch in-house on release date, and we've used it now for about a week and a half, and I can comfortably say I am very happily going to go back to our Apple Watch Ultra 2 for probably the main factor that a lot of you can guess, and that is battery life. So spoiler alert, this watch, this screen is definitely very nice. However, the battery life, I was very quickly reminded why I got the Ultra in the first place over the Series 8 or 9 from the years before that. It just is not up to par for what I want. It might work for a lot of people that don't get a slew of notifications or use it to track activities daily, workouts, anything of that nature. And it will get you through a solid day. But personally, I like having that buffer. I like running betas on these things, and the combination of a beta, the combination of the lower battery life, it just isn't very good for what I use it for. I think a lot of people would be very happy with this watch. There is nothing wrong with it. The new panel that can go down to 1 hertz to show a second hand on the AOD, it really is a nice touch, even though it is limited to only 2 watch faces currently. Aside from that, the processor is great. Everything has been smooth with this watch, but if you are looking at the 46mm or the 49mm of the Ultra, because I believe this is what a lot of people are going to be comparing it to, save your time, save your effort, spend the little bit of extra money on the Ultra. I say a little bit of money because I know it does seem like a large gap in between these two, but when you take cellular into consideration, which all the Apple Watch Ultras have, the price is very, very comparable. Take into consideration the titanium aspect of it, which the base model 46mm does not have. Again, these prices are right there. I think it's definitely worth splurging a little bit. If you can do it, please do. You will not be disappointed. The one thing that I will say the Series 10 runs circles around that Apple Watch for, or the Ultra, is just how nice and tiny that looks. It lays so flush on your wrist and really does make this a much easier wear. So I don't personally sleep with my watch, but if you are a big fan of the sleep apnea detection that's going to be coming out, or tracking your sleep in general, this watch is going to be much more comfortable to wear, especially if you get something of the less industrial kind of bands. Like, we love these Nomad bands. If you guys follow the channel, you know that we've been using assortments of these for years now. But if you want to use one of the Nike running bands or one of these softer bands, it will be so much more comfortable to sleep in than one of these with that combination of the Ultra. That thickness is just too inconvenient and uncomfortable for me personally, and a couple of other friends that I know that have an Ultra as well to sleep with. So take that for what you want. I did just want to make this quick short video for you guys from my experience with both of these watches. If you weren't aware, we did have the Apple Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 now over the course of the last 2+ years. So we kind of know what we're talking about with the Ultra. Battery life, phenomenal as a recap. Sizing to wear to sleep, not very ideal, but it is a definite buy. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Did you pick up a Series 10 and are thinking about returning it and possibly getting the Ultra? Or are you perfectly happy with your Series 10 Apple Watch? Let us know. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.